So, a couple of videos back, we have seen how to check the throttle using a multimeter. But today, I bought an awesome gadget which you can use. This is an OBD tool for electric vehicles. Oh yeah. So you can check your electric scooters and electric bikes using this device. It has all different wire connections to check your motor, throttle, controller, as well as your brakes, hall wires and everything. So this one small device would save a lot of time diagnosing which or what parts of your vehicle are going bad. With this electric checker, we can find out how to check if a throttle is working as well as brakes in this video. Let's go. So the connections are very simple. You can see here it clearly has these things: brake, throttle lever, the motor main phase lines, motor hall lines, controller hall lines, controller main phase lines. And here you have different indications, but today we're going to focus only on these lights. All right. So when we go for throttle and brake lever, we have 3 wires, and as well as the throttle has 3 wires, red, black and green. Connect each wire to each of the alligator clips with same color, red to red, black to black and green to green. Once done, just turn on the switch. You can see battery indication is on, these are connected. Now you see this throttle grip thing, and make sure you don't let them touch. And when I twist the throttle, change of resistance is giving us how much the light blinks. See, slow, full. So this device, it's easy to check a throttle. You can check any kind of throttles with same method. It's as simple as that. And you unplug it, and this is a perfect good throttle. And now you can even check a brake. In a brake, if you see, there is a switch here always. What does this do? When this is activated, when you pull this, it turns off power to your controller. So this light should turn off when I connect this connection. So here it only has black and red. It's a switch. I just connected 2 pins and there is black and red. Take the black one, connect it to the negative. Take the red one, connect it to the positive. Once you do this, you see the light is on. Now when I pull the brake, the light's off. Light on, light off. So basically now there is power running, and when I pull it back, the power is gone. It's as simple as that, which means this switch in the brake lever is working 100%. You just saw how easy it was to diagnose your throttle as well as your brake. With this thing, it's very simple. In the next videos, I'll show you how to check your throttle and your motor, your phase lines and your hall lines. With this, it's pretty easy to diagnose what the real problem is. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up. I'll see you on in the next one.